Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find email notification settings on your account on X Twitter. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings and privacy. Now click notifications. Now click preferences, and here as you see you will find it, email notification settings. Here you can manage it if you want. And that's it for today. That's how to find email notification settings, easy and quick. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.